Have you ever wondered how your favorite chocolate bar is really made? Today, we're taking you inside one of the world's
Every chocolate begins its journey with cocoa beans, grown in tropical regions like Ghana, Ivory Coast, and Ecuador.
Next, the beans go through a series of cleaning stages. Huge industrial blowers remove dust, while
Roasting is where the magic begins. The beans are heated between 120 to 170 degrees.
After roasting, the beans are cracked open. A machine called a winnower separates the shell from the cocoa nibs.
the nibs are then ground under massive steel rollers. At first, they turn into a dry powder. Some factories press the liquor to extract pure cocoa butter, a key ingredient in smooth, luxurious chocolate.
To create chocolate, the cocoa liquor is mixed with other ingredients: sugar, cocoa butter, milk powder, emulsifier.
The mixture now passes through a 5-roller refiner. Here, the particle size is reduced to just 15.
Now comes the most important step, conching. For 8 to 48 hours, the chocolate is kneaded.
To give chocolate its shine and snap, it must be tempered. The chocolate is heated, cooled, and reheated.
Next, the chocolate is poured into molds, bars, blocks, bites, or custom shapes.
Once set, the chocolate bars go through high-speed packaging lines. Foil wrap, labeling, boxing, all done by
The packaged chocolates are moved to temperature-controlled warehouses, and from here, they are shipped across the world.
And that is the complete journey from cocoa bean to the chocolate bar in your hand. A combination of nature, science, and that is the complete journey from cocoa bean to the chocolate bar in your hand. A combination of nature, science, and modern engineering, creating one of the world's most loved treats.